Now let us simplify 12 whole number 5 over 7 plus 1 whole number 3 over 7 minus 6 whole number 1 over 3. Solution. The first thing we'll do is to bring them to improper fraction. That is 12 whole number 5 over 7 will become 7 times 12 plus 5 over 7. And 7 times 12 will give us 84 plus 5 over 7, which will now be 89 over 7. And then 1 whole number 3 over 7 will become 7 times 1 plus 3 over 7. And this will give us 7 plus 3 over 7. And we have it as 10 over 7. Then to the third, we have 6 whole number 1 over 3, which will now become 3 times 6 plus 1 over 3, which will then be 18 plus 1 over 3. And we have 19 over 3. There we are. So we can then rewrite the question as 89 over 7 plus 10 over 7 minus 19 over 3. Let's find the LCM of 7, 7, and 3. LCM of 7, 7, and 3. Three goes, this is 7, 7, and 1. Then 7 goes, that's 1, 1, 1. So our LCM is 3 times 7, which is 21. Now, 89 over 7 plus 10 over 7 minus 19 over 3 would then become, we draw a division line that is long enough to accommodate the problem. And then we write at the denominator position the LCM which we have gotten. And the LCM in this case is 21. Now we would perform for the first fraction 21 divided by 7. And the answer will be multiplied by 89. Plus, to the second fraction we would have 21 divided by 7. And then we'll multiply that by 10. Then minus. Now I have 21 divided by 3, which will multiply by 19. Now, take your time to solve this so you do not make error. So, watch how we do it here. In this case, we have 21 divided by 7, which would give us 3. So, we are having 3 multiplied by 89 plus 21 divided by 7 will give us 3, which will multiply by 10. Then minus 21 divided by 3 would give us 7, which will multiply by 19, all over 21. Now, let's find this. 89 times 3. 89 times 3. 3 times 9 will give us 27. Put down 7, carry the 2. 3 times 8 will give us 24. Plus 2, that's 26. So here we have 267 plus 3 times 10, that is 30, minus, now, 19 multiplied by 7. 7 times 9 will give us 63. So put 3, carry the 6. 7 times 1 will give us 7. Plus 6 is 13. So we have 133 all over 21. Now this would give us 267 plus 30 will give us 297. So we have 297 minus 133 over 21. And this would give us, when we subtract the 7 minus 3, that is 4. 9 minus 3, that is 6. 2 minus 1, that is 1. So we have 164 divided by 21. Now let's bring this to mixed fraction. 21 in 164. Now, 21 times 5 would give us 105. There's still more. So let's try 21 times 6. 6 times 1, that is 6. And here we have 126, which means there's still more. So we try by 7. 21 times 7. This is 7. So we have 147. Let's try by 8. 21 times 8. Now 8 times 1, that's 8. And here we have 168. So we see it's more. So it stops at 7. So that is, we have 7 whole numbers. Now what is left when we take 164 minus 147? We would have 17 left. So we have 7 whole number, 17 over 21. Therefore, 12 whole number 5 over 7 plus 1 whole number 3 over 7 minus 6 whole number 1 over 3 would give us 7 whole number 17 over 21. Thank you.